In some circumstances, framing a decision as a loss can be far more impactful on our behaviors than framing it as a gain. People are more likely to remember stories than facts and figures, even if those stories are about data and technical material. And an image of the human face, especially when centered on the eyes, can significantly increase engagement. These are just a few of the thousands of examples of how our subconscious can impact our perceptions, decisions, and behaviors. It's often thought that communication is the easy part when it comes to incentives. However, impactfully communicating an incentive plan or total rewards program is much harder than it seems. There is an abundance of psychological, narrative, and visual factors that can influence how the incentives are perceived, understood, and acted upon by your employees. Get the communication wrong, and your program suffers. Many incentive and total rewards plans are well designed, but falter from a lack of comprehension. Our research indicates that only 40 to 50% of salespeople fully understand their compensation plan and how to effectively maximize their earnings. Proper communication significantly increases your team's knowledge of their plan and encourages positive behaviors, leading to increased sales. At the Lantern Group, we understand what it takes to effectively communicate to your employees. For over 18 years, we've combined world-class graphic design, creative copy, and behavioral science principles to create communication for the world's leading organizations that drive higher motivation, superior understanding, and greater buy-in. Merely making a communication look pretty isn't enough. You need your communications to engage your people, spur new behaviors, and drive action. After all, the brain processes visual information up to 60,000 times faster than text-based information. Are your incentive communications helping achieve your sales goals? Contact us now to engage your sales force with effective IC and rewards communications.